Now we'll discuss about the article the. The normally points out to some particular person or thing. For example, he saw the doctor. When I say he saw the doctor, I am particular. At the same time, if I say he saw a doctor, it could be any doctor, or I am not that very particular who the doctor is. But when I say he saw the doctor, I am being particular about the person. At the same time, when I say he saw the doctor, I assume that the listener knows the doctor I am talking about. For example, take me the book. When I say take me the book, I am being very specific. The listener understands that I am talking about a particular book. When I say take the book. At the same time, if I say take me a book, it could be any book kept on the table. But when I say take me the book, the listener understands that I am being particular about one book. So the is usually used to point out to some particular person or thing, or to be very specific about what is being talked about. Likewise, the should be used before names of musical instruments. He plays the guitar. It is wrong to say he plays guitar. We should always use the before musical instruments. He plays the guitar. I love to play the piano. Sitara is good at playing the violin. Likewise, names of religious books and classics. The should be used before names of religious books and classics. For example, the Quran, the Vedas. It is wrong to say Vedas or Quran. You have to say the Quran, the Vedas, the Bible. Likewise, classical books also. The Odyssey, the Iliad, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Mountain ranges, canals, group of islands, deserts, oceans and seas and rivers. They also have the before them, or it is compulsory to use the before them. Mountain ranges, we say the Himalayas, the Suez Canal, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Lakshadweep Islands, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra. So, the should be used before mountain ranges, canals, group of islands, deserts, oceans and seas and rivers. It is wrong to say the names of these without the article the before them. The should be added before names of celestial objects. What do you mean by celestial objects? The objects in the universe. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the Milky Way. So whenever we talk about these things that are unique, we have to use the. Likewise, before superlatives. This is something we learned when we learned comparative adjectives. The best book. Whenever we use superlative adjectives like tallest, biggest with est, largest, we have to use the before that. The tallest, the best, the worst, the highest. It is wrong to just say highest or tallest building. It is compulsory that we use the before superlative adjectives. Then ordinals. Ordinals mean first, second, third, fourth numbers in that manner. Cardinals 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordinals first, second, third, fourth in that sense. So whenever we use ordinal numbers, we have to use the before it. The first man, the third child. I am the second in class. It is wrong to say I am second in class. I am the second in class. So the should be used before celestial objects, superlative adjectives and ordinals. This slide talks about nouns that should not have any articles before them. For example, articles should be omitted before names of substances and abstract nouns. For example, like substances like sugar, gold, silver, minerals. We are not supposed to use any articles. It is wrong to say a sugar or the sugar. The sugar is not good for health. That is wrong to say. Just say sugar. Omit article before substances. Likewise, abstract nouns. Do not use articles before abstract nouns. Honesty is the best policy. See here, the best. Why the is used before best? Because best is superlative adjective. Yeah, coming back to what we said, articles should not be used before abstract nouns. Honesty, sincerity. It is wrong to say the honesty is the best policy. Likewise, names of meals. Never use the before names of meals. Just say dinner is ready. Lunch is ready. I am going to have lunch. Don't say I am going to have the lunch. That is wrong. Or I am going to have a lunch. That is also wrong. Do not use articles before names of meals. Likewise, names of languages. We speak Gujarati at home. It is wrong to say we speak the Gujarati or a Gujarati. Articles should not be used before names of languages. Likewise, names of relations. Father has returned just now. When we tell the names of relations, for example, father, mother, brother, sister, we don't have to use any articles. You don't have to say the father has returned now. It is wrong. Or a father. We cannot say a father because it doesn't make sense. We can say my father has returned. That is correct. Maybe if you're speaking to your brother, you don't have to say my father because it is understood. So father has returned just now. Or mother has gone for shopping. Don't say the mother has gone for shopping. So this also should be kept in mind. There are few nouns that do not use articles before them.